My name is Shasha Marie Alona Guri Esteves. I'm 38 years old. The Filipina came from Philippines. I'm a proud mother of 4 kids. My daughter's age is 19 and 5 years old. And my son's age is 17 and 3 years old. So I have a strong personal experience in raising a kids. I am a college undergraduate and took a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, and I have NC2 Certificate Caregiving in TESTA. I have overseas working experience in Saudi for 2 years and another 2 years in Hong Kong. In my previous job, I took care of newborn babies and toddlers and young children. I am experienced in bathing, feeding, changing diaper, preparing meal, and putting the babies to sleep. For toddlers and young children, I can cook nutritious meals, assist them with their homework, engaging in learning and play activities. I can do also and manage household chores like laundry, cooking, cleaning, and marketing, and do the whole family's needs. My employers before described me as patient, hardworking, calm, honest, and trustworthy. I am looking forward in serving your family with love, dedication, and responsibility. Thank you.